So here the question, see student, JavaScript program, write a JavaScript program to input a text. Here we will enter a style, size as well as color of the text. Style here is what? Now the face like impact, Arial, the style of the font through respective text fields. Respective text fields in the sense for each we have to take text field. It means 3 text field we have to take. Then one button, pressing on a button, so it means one button we have to take. When we click on the button, the text what we entered in the text box should get changed according to the style we decided, according to the size we decided, according to the color we decided. So let's design the form first. So form, already the tag I used, so let's write here input type, okay, text. So before I forget to write enter the text, enter a string, fine, enter a string, input type text, then I can write here name equal to t1. So this is what I took for whom? Now the text what you are entering, fine. Now you are writing, giving here br, fine students. Then I'm copying and pasting, doing little faster so the video size will be little lesser, as well as it can be easily downloaded by the students. So enter a string. After that I have to write here enter a style, okay, or enter a font style, fine, which style you want to take for a font, fine students. So that will be entered in t2, okay. Use always related wordings. So next, the size you need to take font size, enter a font size, okay, enter a, let remove, enter font size, enter a, enter a string, let it be. So now here I am doing t3, fine. Thereafter again I am pasting for what? Now font size, fine, enter font size. So that I am taking as font t4. So it means 4 text words I need, yeah. So now at last we have to take br and br for break. Then I am using here button, input type equal to button, name equal to, name is not necessary, so value equal to change, so change I am taking, fine. So change, then on click equal to change. So what are the functions I need to write here? You please see, I am choosing word wrap so that it will come to the next line, it will be easier for you to write. So change, first we have to send the text. So f1.t1.text, sorry, the value, that is the text itself will get passed. Then what you have to pass? Font, then serially, then font style, so t2 dot value, fine. Then f1 dot t3 dot value first, then f1 dot t3 dot value, t2 t3, this is t3, sorry, t3, and this is t4 dot value, fine. It means the 4 things we are passing from the HTML side, from the from side to the scripting side. Now go to the scripting side. So we have to use 4 variables, remember. So first one is t, that is text. Next one is font name, font face you say, so that is fc I am taking, suppose. Then suppose font what is there, size, so fs I am taking. Then font size already I took, so font color fc I am taking, or see, already fc I have taken. So it means so here I am taking, suppose this is font face, so ff I am taking, font face, ff, fs and fc, fine students. Now let me print document, spelling mistake, document, okay, dot write. First let me print the text first, students, okay. So for printing the text I am taking simply t. Let's check this much first whether it is working or not, then we will try for other things. This is program number 4, yes, so running. So putting a text, no need to give all this, yeah, it's printing. It means till yet the program is correct. This is how you should check always your program, student. Now let me do the rest of the things. So font text already I applied. So now the font I need to apply. So I am doing here very simply, students, so that text I kept down, okay. So font I am applying here. So now what I have to do here, double quote, I have to write font, that I can write small also, font, and this is a tag, so angle bracket, font. What I have to write here, face equal to. Now what I have to write now? FF. So as FF is a variable, so before FF you have to keep the double quote and plus sign, and after FF plus sign, fine, then double quote start. Then what I have to write, student, what you have to write, students, after font face size, so size equal to, fine, so what I have to write, size FS, that is font size, so plus sign, then double quote again you start. Then what you have to write, color, so color spelling you know, COLOR, color equal to double quote plus sign FC, the variable we had taken, then plus sign, then what we have to end the tag, so the tag has to be end here by giving the angle bracket. Okay, so this is how the program should be, or this is how the command should be. Let me try first. Let's check. So I saved, yes. Now let refresh, let try. Suppose computer, the word I want to print, and I want to print in impact style. Impact is a font name, students. Size I want to give 4, and the color I want to give green. So I decided this is how I want to need the content. So check, yes, perfectly it's coming. Let's check again, students. Suppose I am needing computer to be printed, whatever. Then font style, suppose I am giving Courier. So you need to know some of the, this spelling has to be correct, students. If you made mistake here, then gone case, then it won't work. So font size, now I am deciding suppose 6. Then the color also you have to give perfect the name, students. If you cannot make mistake here, because scripting or HTML cannot recognize the name. So this has to be correct spelling, this has to be correct spellings, remember, students. So see, it's coming fine. Okay, hope it won't disturb this particular line. If disturbing you, then you please say me, feel free to ask me so that I can explain this line again.